My profession is National Police of Colombia. This activity is carried out from the point of view of the work which in the National Police of Colombia, giving my opinion about the topic to be discussed. Nutrition. Proper nutrition is the cornerstone of well-being. Implementing nutritional education programs and providing access to healthy food options can help improve the officer's diet quality. A balanced diet not only enhances physical health but also has a significant impact on energy levels and mental clarity, which are crucial for making quick and precise decisions in high-stress situations. Physical activity and exercise. Regular physical activity and exercise are vital for maintaining physical and mental fitness. The National Police could benefit from specific fitness training programs tailored to the unique demands of their work. This not only improves endurance and strength but also reduces the risk of injuries and enhances the ability of face physical change in the field. Police welfare. Creating an organization culture that promotes well-being as essential. This involves not only providing resources but also fostering an environment where self-care and actively support and where officer feels comfortable seeking help with needing. Thank you.